Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek TruTest Strips. What is AquaChek TruTest Strips? AquaChek's TruTest Test Strips give pool owners a quick and easy way to test their pool's overall health simply by inserting into the TruTest Digital Test Strip Reader, which provides highly accurate results concerning the three main components of pool chemistry: pH level, free chlorine or bromine, and total alkalinity. When combined with the TruTest Digital Test Strip Reader, you get fast results with no need for color matching. Product benefits. For use with the AquaChek TruTest Digital Test Strip Reader, not included. Tests for free chlorine, bromine, pH, and total alkalinity. Easy to read results in seconds. Usage directions. Step 1. Press Start button on TruTest Reader. Step 2. Dip a strip and remove immediately. Step 3. Shake excess water from strip. Step 4. Place strip pad side down into meter. Step 5. Results display in seconds. This complete kit contains 50 test strips. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.